So today we've got a very special piece to show you. This is the limited edition Casio G-Shock Sun Reflect series watch. It's a limited edition watch, meaning Casio don't make this watch anymore. They don't produce it, unfortunately. So there is only a couple thousand of these in the whole world, and they are very, very rare to find in the West. There are a couple of really nice examples in the Japan domestic market, which is where we've imported this one from. And this is a used example, but guys, as you can see, it does not look used from any way, shape or form. I mean, this is very well kept. It looks almost brand new. And just take a look at this piece, guys. It is an absolute stunner. I mean, this thing shines in the sun like nothing else you've seen before. And the color on this is it's a bunch of different colors, so it goes from purple to blue to orange to pink. Yeah, so if you're wearing this, not only are you wearing a very, very rare watch, you're also wearing something that's very unique. It's very different, and hence why we've had loads and loads and loads of messages on the WhatsApp custom line. You guys have been messaging us so many times, so many people, for this particular watch. Now we finally have it in stock, and like I said, this is a used JDM model, which means it's a used Japanese domestic market model. It is used, it is not brand new, unfortunately. It's the only watch we stock in our website which is used, and that's purely because it's impossible to purchase this brand new. It just is. I mean, they don't make them anymore, and it's also really, really hard to even find a supplier who has any of these left in stock, because they're so popular, they've been bought out. And that's pretty much that. Now, we've put this on a silver Casioak bracelet, and I mean, you can purchase this with a silver one or a black one. You can also purchase it on a rubber bracelet. We do have them in stock as well. Check out my previous video where I showed this on the orange bracelet. So yeah, I'm just gonna whack this on the wrist just to give you a wrist shot and show you what it looks like. So we're gonna just whack this on. And appreciate that I do need to size this, so I mean, it's not really going to fit quite well on my wrist, but yeah, as you can see, looks really, really nice. And you know, with this silver bracelet, it's just like you're wearing a shiny diamond. I mean, it just shines in all angles that you look at it, and it is very, very, very nice, especially when you're holding it in person. It is just something else. I mean, in the videos it just does not do it justice. But yeah, so that's pretty much the watch. Now you know, all our watches always will be and always have been 100% authentic. Okay, so although this is a used watch, it doesn't mean it's a fake watch or it's a, you know, a tampered watch or anything like that. It's 100% genuine. We do a 21-point check on each of our watches. I mean, I've never really mentioned it on the channel, but we do it on every single watch. We only source our watches from reputable suppliers anyway, so these are 100% authentic. You also get all the stuff in the box, so let me just quickly show you what you actually get in the box. You get the original parts of the watch. You also get some tools for your own adjustment, and then we also send you the original packaging, the original box, the original documentation, and all the, you know, instruction manuals and warranty cards and everything in there as well. So that's what you're going to receive in the box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you do like this watch, you want to purchase this watch, or you want to discuss anything about this watch, then please do hit us up on the WhatsApp line below. If you just want to straight away go ahead and purchase this watch, the link to this will be also in the description below. Unfortunately, because it is an exclusive piece, it is a little bit more expensive, and that's just the way it is, because it is so much in demand and there's only a few of these in circulation, never mind the actual modded ones. This does make it really a very, very, very rare and exclusive piece, so there is a little bit of a premium to pay for that. But who, you know, if you want this watch, you will not be disappointed. I can assure you that you will not be disappointed when you have this watch in your hands. It is absolutely stunning. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.